Hey there, Dei-Rasi Freckleton here. Just want to show you another quick tip from Coinpayu. Stay tuned, there will be more right after this. Alright, just a quick tip, guys. Thanks for joining me again. Now, this tip, what I want to show you. Alright, so you see, last night I got 30 surf ads. It's now 4:52 in the morning, and I have a couple more. So persons continue to buy ads different times of the day so we can profit. This is money, guys. All right, but that's not the point of this video. Whoa, let's move on. I'm grabbing the next one, guys. There is no telling when those ads are going to disappear. So as soon as you see them, you need to get them. There were no video ads last night. There's still none. So I'm still going into the faucet. This is where I want to show you that little tip that I have for you. So you see, I had 400 plus Satoshi last night. But what I did was that I transferred some to my main balance, as well as I swapped out some. I'm just playing the game of getting them all into one cohesive unit. I traded out my Litecoin. I swapped them out, I think, for Cardano. For Cardano. Still continues to grow massively. Alright, so let me show you what happened now. I'm going to swap out this Cardano. I can withdraw it as well, but I just want to swap it. So you can see the different swaps that I've done. So I would have swapped out Bitcoin for Cardano, Ethereum for Cardano, Litecoin for Cardano, and I keep them all in Cardano because Cardano is growing a lot faster than some of them are. And then what I'm going to do is that as soon as there's a zenith that is reached, I have a goal in mind. I have my own personal goal. Then I'm going to take it back out and I'm going to dump it all on Ethereum. This year, Ethereum is going to be the cryptocurrency based on the predictions that I'm seeing to convert the best. So I'm still watching this space because something else might. Bitcoin is still going up, Ethereum is going up. I look at what's happening on their platforms, and Ethereum is one of the widest platforms in terms of what it is doing for the crypto space, the NFT space, and the projects that they have. Litecoin is another amazing one because Litecoin combines what is the best of both worlds for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know, Solana has been really doing good in the NFT space and the cryptocurrency space, as well as Cardano. So we look at the projects that they have and then we look at it. So I just look at what's happening in the cryptocurrency space, and for those who want to keep up, you could just get a Coinbase account. I'm going to put a link in the description for Coinbase, and you'll get it because they give you cryptocurrency news in real time and you're able to piece together. You get to see the hot picks, and I'm also going to be putting a Stormgain link in the description below. So these are three things: Binance, which is another good one, Coinbase, Binance, Stormgain. I'm going to be leaving those links in the description below. They give you a list of the hot new cryptocurrency that you could invest in if you want to, and these are for the most part less than $1, but then that $1 can probably grow into $32 in a matter of weeks because of how fast these projects are booming. All right, so it's converted to Doge. So this is the amount I paid, this is the amount I received. You can swap a maximum of 30 times per day and 300 times for the month. And this is in the free version. I'm in the free version. All of this for absolutely free. So I can play around with it. I can do so many other things. So if I go back to the faucet listing now, I will realize that Doge will be on 0 and Cardano would have been up. So the goal is to watch how this grows and then to get it, because Solana is also doing really good. But the aim is to get the monies into Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So Litecoin is now valued $124.47. Bitcoin $44,000, call that 500, and Ethereum $3,100. The aim is to get them all into these pockets so that we can continue to watch them grow. So guys, just go out there and just remember that you get free money every 60 minutes. Get that brick, you know, get that bread, get that paper. You want more? You come in the office, you check each one out, whatever works. some will work in your country, some will not work. From this, I have been on Timebox. I have been on about 12 to maybe almost 20 different platforms that I use, and I use these platforms to make a little extra on the side. And just remember, do not leave the ads unwatched, because this is also monies coming into you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. If you like the content, please ensure that you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.